One. No.
Are you ready?
That's quite good, actually.
Are you ready?
Claire, can you just do that once more, please?